Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make crabgrass tea. This natural remedy, derived from the common weed Digitaria sanguinalis, has been used for various purposes. Before you begin, it's absolutely essential to correctly identify crabgrass. There are many look-alike plants, and using the wrong one could be harmful. Once you are certain you have crabgrass, we can move on to the next steps for preparing this unique tea. When harvesting, look for young, tender crabgrass plants, ideally before they've gone to seed. The quality of your tea depends on the quality of your harvest. Most importantly, make sure the area where you're collecting is completely free from any pesticides, herbicides, or other environmental pollutants. After gathering, give your crabgrass a very thorough wash under running water to remove all dirt, insects, and debris. Cleanliness is key here. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. On another note, if you're into preparing things, whether it's natural remedies or your daily meals, I have a quick recommendation. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're super handy for keeping everything fresh. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's get to brewing. First, chop your clean crabgrass into small, manageable pieces. This helps release its beneficial properties more effectively. For a good strength, I recommend using about 1/4 cup of chopped crabgrass for every 1 cup of water. Bring your water to a rolling boil, then add the chopped crabgrass. Reduce the heat and let it gently simmer for about 10 minutes. This steeping time is important. After simmering, it's time to separate the liquid from the plant material. Carefully strain the tea through a fine mesh sieve or a piece of cheesecloth into a clean cup or container. Make sure to discard all the solid plant material, as you only want the brewed liquid. Your crabgrass tea is now ready. You can enjoy it warm, which is often preferred, or chill it for a refreshing cold beverage. It's entirely up to your taste.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.